Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope all of you are doing well by the mercy of Allah. By the grace of Allah and your du'as, my YouTube channel has reached 90,000 subscribers. This achievement is not possible without your love, support and encouragement. From the bottom of my heart, I sincerely thank each and every one of you, those who subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. This success belongs to you. Please remember me in your prayers so that I can continue this journey in a good way. I promise to try my best to bring your better, meaningful and quality content in the future. If you like my videos, please like, share and support my channel. Your one share can inspire others and help this channel grow more. Once again, thank you so much for staying with me. May Allah bless all of you and your families. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum. Now I am studying the recitation of the Holy Quran, the word Almighty Allah. Bismillah.